How to follow HelloFresh social media events. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to follow HelloFresh social media events right from your phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on menu account icon at the bottom of the screen. And after that, you simply have to scroll to find links to HelloFresh official social media pages like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok. And there you can just tap the icons or links to open the social media page or apps and then hit follow or like to stay updated. And there you can keep an eye on these pages for posts of their social media apps or pages, and then hit follow and like, and there you will get different infos about contests, giveaways, live events, and exclusive offers. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.